Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In today's video, I'm going to share a pro-level trick that makes nail extensions with tips last for up to 4 weeks. Have you ever had your nail tips pop off way too soon, even though you applied them carefully? Don't worry, I've got you covered. All you need to do is apply something to the back of the tip. It's a simple trick that dramatically boosts adhesion. And yes, it's something pro nail techs use behind the scenes. I'll also walk you through important tips and what to watch out for. So make sure to stick around till the end. Okay, let's get started. These days, there are so many types of nail tips for extensions. A while ago, it was all about plain, clear tips. But now, press-on tips with built-in designs are super popular. With these, all you need is a special gel for tips, and you're done. They're especially popular with busy nail techs who don't have time to do their own nails. But even these convenient tips can pop off in less than 2 weeks, especially if they're not applied correctly. One of the most common mistakes, especially for beginners, is skipping proper prep. Nail care, surface filing, oil removal. If you miss even one of these steps, the tips will come off much faster. Now, this secret technique I'm about to share assumes that your prep work is done right. It's a method that pros use to take durability to the next level. And yes, I personally use this trick all the time. So what's the trick? You apply a small amount of remover to the underside of the nail tip, just enough to slightly melt the surface before applying it to the nail. Sounds crazy, right? Melt the tip? But actually, that's the point. The back of the tip is usually super smooth. When it's too smooth, even tip gel doesn't bond well. It has nothing to grip onto. By slightly melting that slick surface, you create a rough texture that helps the gel stick much better. Now let's go over the important points and precautions. First, use a 100% acetone remover if possible. This works better than diluted versions and melts the tip more effectively. And when applying it, use an old brush or one made of acetone-resistant synthetic fibers. Avoid using cotton or tissue. Fibers from those materials can stick to the melted tip and cause problems. Next, when applying the remover, just a bit on the brush is enough. Only melt the part of the tip that will attach to your natural nail. Don't melt the entire tip. Otherwise, the free edge will get sticky and messy. Rather than painting the remover on, think of it more like lightly rubbing the surface. Once the area looks a bit rough and tacky, you'll know it's ready. Now you can apply your tip gel as usual and attach the tip. That's it. You've just created a long-lasting nail extension that can stay on for 4 full weeks. A quick heads up. Some tip materials may turn slightly white when acetone is applied. This usually goes away once the remover fully dries and you apply the gel. But if you're concerned, test it first on a spare tip before using it on your actual nails. So, what did you think of this pro trick for making nail tips last 4 weeks? It's a little unconventional and probably best suited for experienced users. But when done right, it's seriously effective. Definitely give it a try and see how well it works for you. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more video like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.